I even like my Ghetto Fabulous baby hairs, honey. Somebody, these baby hairs is annoying the heck out of them. This one's for you, boo. This one's for you, boo.
Now gurus and new she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this is a unit that I caught with my own coins, and it is by Outre, and it is in the style Boho Passion Waterway 22 inches. As you guys can see, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as this little elastic band so that you can wear this wig glueless if you want to. I do have this wig in the color 1B, and it is a 4x4 hand-tied lace front type of unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig. If you're interested in any more details, specs, and other good stuff about it, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Alright love bugs, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so this is a wig that I copped with my own coins, honey. I know it looks like it's a whole lot going on because honey, it's a whole lot going on. Like, I ain't gonna even hold you, sis. It's a whole lot going on. This unit is by, who is she by, honey? Expression? Who is Expression? Child, I'm just buying stuff and don't even know. I thought this thing was by Outre. Oh, it is by Outre. Okay. I see Outre. Outre Expression Twisted Up Lace Front Braid Wig. It's called Boho Passion Waterway 22. I have it in the color 1B. Honestly, I wanted the color that the model is wearing because it felt so fallish. It looks like it's 99J that she is wearing. But I think they call it dragon fruit. They call it something else, child. But I really did want that color. Why won't they tell me? Yep, they call it dragon fruit. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. And I really like it. Says skip the trip to the braiding salon. Child, what's the braiding salon? I don't know. But anyway, skip the trip to the braiding salon and try the new Expression Twisted Up wig in beautiful braids and trendy twists. So I'm guessing they have it in a bunch of other styles, like other than this one. Middle part or side part, top knots or half up, half down. How you part it and style it with the pick how you part it and style it with the 4x4 hand-tied lace front feature, baby hair and pre-plucked ear-to-ear lace, all that good stuff, child. I ain't finna read all that. But yeah, it has a whole lot of stuff going on with this unit. Child, my baby hairs want to run off my head. Okay, so as it stated, this wig does come with baby hairs, and honey, it comes with a lot of baby hairs. That's why I just decided to be extra, honey. Today is my birthday. I'm not really an extra person, but I was like, girl, you know, today you're 32. Okay, you can do a little bit of extra with your baby hairs and stuff. You know, you can go extra. I even went a little extra with my makeup, girl. Okay. I'm gonna do a whole get ready with me tomorrow, and I may go a little extra then too, girl. Okay. But yeah, so I was like, let me do a little extra something with the baby hairs, because it's so many. It was so many, child, and I didn't tweeze and one. I did not. So yeah, it does come with, if I'm not mistaken, it comes with 2 combs. I could be wrong. In the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also has that little elastic headband. And the one that they have in there is the kind that you can adjust. And honey, we love a good adjustment, girl. We love a good adjustment. We love something that we can adjust. So I really like that about it. I feel like you can make this wig tight enough that you can wear it across the spectrum, whether your head is big, small, or medium, girl. Okay, you can make this wig work across the spectrum. So I did like that feature on it. It does come with 4x4 lace, so I have been going like switching it all around. You guys know, like going from this side, and I don't want to wear this side, going this side, I don't want to wear it on this side. Do I want to wear it up? I just been all over the place because I don't know what I want to do with this wig, because honey, your girl just don't like stuff in her face these days. Okay, the older I get, the less I want anything in my face, the less I want anything in my way. I want to be able to be cute without worried about some hair getting in my face. Like, that's just where I'm at. Okay. that's just where I'm at. So I have been messing with it, and I'm pretty sure, even though I'm gonna wear it today. Okay, so with shading and tangling with this wig, child, it's a braided wig, honey. Girl. Girl. Okay, so we're not gonna even go there. Now, it is a little frizzy. It has little frizzy spots, which I don't mind. I feel like the frizzier it is, the more natural it's gonna look with this type of style. So the frizziness could be on purpose. I don't know, girl. So I did want you guys to know that as well. Y'all, I'm mad at my baby hairs. Why won't they let me be great? Like, girl, how be Simone said, baby girl. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now, how it looks right here, I'm having the same problem that I always have. I don't know, the lace is too dark. Okay, the lace is too dark. I don't care. I'm gonna wear her anywhere anyway. I do feel like if you are darker than me, that part you won't have that line. Like, girl, it gets on my nerves. Like, why? Like, that's how I feel. So yeah, you can see that. And that just seemed to be a thing with most braided wigs. The only one that I've had that didn't have that, where the lace was too dark, wasn't too dark, was the one that I got from We Queen that I recently reviewed. Honey, I inserted a picture or something. That was the only one that I had that the lace wasn't too dark for me. So I'm just used to it, so it is what it is. But I did want to bring that to your attention. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can get into how I feel about this. So yeah, this is where the hair comes to me. I want you guys to keep in mind that I am 5'4", so keep that in mind. And this is where the hair comes to me in the back. Okay, so now I am going to tell you guys how I feel about this wig, if I would recommend this wig and all that good stuff. So if you are interested in that, then please continue to watch. Okay, so let me just tell you guys, I have been looking for a wig like this forever. Okay, I have one that wasn't over $200. Okay, I have really been wanting a wig like this. My little cousin does these so good. And I mean, when I say my little cousin, I know you like, girl, how many little cousins you got, girl? I got a billion of them. Okay, and these are all first cousins. You know what I mean? Like, these, I have a billion. It's a bunch of us, and it's mostly girls. Like, literally, my grandma got like 10 grandkids. 3 boys. 3 are boys. So, one of the younger little cousins, she's like 16. She did my other cousin some goddess locks. And girl, are they called goddess locks? What are they called? Bohemian locks? What are they called? Oh my God. I be calling them Bonita Rebel locks. Shoot. I've seen like she came out with a line or something. I don't know. I'm gonna say bohemian style locks. Like, child, I don't know. But I've been wanting some. Okay. I've been wanting some so bad. Especially after, and then my cousin, she had the audacity to get them, knowing I wanted me some. So anyways, my little cousin did hers, and they were so pretty. I hope I can get her to send me a picture, because she don't really take any pictures, child. So that's if she has a picture, I'll get her to send me one, and so I can put it in this video. But, so I really wanted some, so I was really excited when I came across this wig, because first of all, I'm bald head. First of all, I'm bald head, so I couldn't get them even if I wanted to get them. But on top of me being bald head, I still couldn't get them because I have to do wig reviews. So I wasn't gonna waste nobody's time, girl. But so when I saw this wig, I was really, really excited. I didn't realize it was gonna be this much hair. It is a lot of hair. I don't know if you guys can tell that it's a lot of hair, but it is a lot of hair, honey. But like, it's a lot. And this is the way that the model is wearing it. Child, I don't know how she wearing it like that. And then right here, like, you can't do anything with these. Like, these are tied down. Like, I can't lift those up right here. Am I making any sense? Like, I don't see. I don't know how she achieved this look, basically. Because you cannot move this right here. So, I don't know. Maybe it's a me thing. You know, it don't look like as much when it's in the middle part. Yes, it do. It's a lot of damn hair. It's a lot of hair, y'all. Okay, so I like it though. I say that, but I like it. Like, I feel like if I play around with a little more and find me a good style that's not in my face, that's not in my way, I will like it in even more. I'm honestly trying to figure out if I even want to keep these little gold things in there. I usually like these little gold things, but I'm feeling like it's just too much going on, maybe. I don't know, y'all. Let me know down below in the comments. I mean, even though it's going to be too late and I'm being already wore the wig, and if I look crazy, I don't already look crazy out here in these streets, but I don't care. I don't care about looking crazy. No way, child. Okay? But just let me know what you think. You think I should get rid of that and add maybe the seashells? I do have some seashells, too. Maybe that is more of the look that I should go for. I don't know, honey. Just let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about it. But yeah, I like it. I think it is a look. The only part I don't like is, like I said, this is tied down. Like, I can't move this hair back here. And I wish I could show you, like, and maybe I can show you better when I do 360. But I can't move that hair in the top, y'all. So, yeah, that is my only con. And it's heavy, y'all. It's pretty heavy. But I don't really mind it being heavy, honey. I got a strong neck. I got a strong neck. I don't mind a little heavy hair. But if you don't like really, really heavy hair, if that's an issue for you, girl, Jenny doesn't like heavy hair, y'all. She be coming at me. She's like, that looks heavy, good. I don't want it. So, Jenny, this one ain't for you, boo. But, yeah, I like it. I think it's a look. I even like my Ghetto Fabulous baby hairs, honey. Somebody, these baby hairs is annoying the heck out of them. This one's for you, boo. This one's for you, boo. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, y'all. I feel like I've talked so fast and rambled so much in this video. Y'all forgive me. It's my birthday, okay? Just, like, forgive me, girl. Anyways, y'all. This is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Again, I just want to show you guys what that looks like. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you feel like it's a look? Would you rock her? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Oh, I'll have a direct link to it down below in the description box as well. So yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, so click that subscribe button. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm HealthyMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.